Today we are doing some special, okay, now? We'll do one activity, one experiment. Sing and float, okay, now? Sinking and floating. So, shall we do? Try? Huh? See, this is, what is this? This is leaf. What is this? And what is this? And this? Coin. Think, baby, see, it's heavy weight, right? So that is sinking. And see this leaf? Shall we do? See, this is floating, right? Yeah. And what is this? Keychain. So this is floating or sinking? Because it's heavy. So this is heavy, see? Sinking. Now we have this eraser. So this is sinking or floating? Floating? No. Sinking. So sinking here. Again, scale. Scale will floating. Sink. Because this is lightweight and this is heavy weight. This is heavy. Heavy weight. And this is lightweight. Touch. Touch this.
Hi children. Hi. Okay, now we are going to do one science experiment. Do you know what is it? Yes. You know it? Okay. Now shall see what are we going to do. Okay? Okay, Riansh, come. Write on the tissue whatever you want. Yes.
It's rectangle.
Yes. See here. Now shall we see that? Yes. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Isn't it nice? Yes.
Children, today we will do a science experiment. Okay, what is that science experiment? Air pressure. It is air pressure. See, I blow the air in this balloon. No, what is there in this balloon? Air is there. I'm holding like this, no? If I will not hold, what will happen? Air will come out. Okay, so what we do, there is a bottle and water is there. Yes, we will see what will happen if we will keep the balloon here. What happens, you know? Air will come inside the bottle and yeah, the water will go inside the straw and it will fall in this glass. Shall we see the experiment? Vedant, please help me hold the bottle like this. Yeah, good. See what I did? I kept this balloon to the bottle, no? If I will leave na, little bit I will leave, see what will happen. I'm not opening totally because all the air is there, no? If I'll open little bit, the air pressure will go here in this bottle. Okay, that time what will happen? It comes out from the straw. Water will comes out from the straw. We will see. Yeah. Shall we see?
Yeah.
See, little bit I'm opening my tips like this, fingertips. You saw? Yeah. Yeah. See, again I'm leaving. See, it came. Wow, what is happening in this balloon? Air is filled, no? I hold here. So that's why water is not coming. If I leave my fingertips little bit like this, if I leave the air, no? Yes, some air will go inside the bottle. If I leave the fingertips like this, what will happen? It will go in the it will go inside the straw and water will come out from the straw. The air goes inside the water, the pressure. Air pressure will touch this water. If I leave like this, that time what happens? The air, where the water will go? The water is getting pressure. Now if I am leaving the air, leave, see, water is coming. Again leave the air. Good. Okay. See,